This is how the simulation works. At the beginning, there is going to be a set of instructions that tell us a little bit how the company is run and the market that we're trying to tackle. The next thing we're going to find is after every decision or the creation of the company, there is going to be news in the newspaper that announce what we have been doing. So let's go to the meat. In the upper tab, there is a bunch of information that tells us how we're doing based on the decisions that we make. So the meat of the simulation is that we can move from one quarter to the next one, making decisions, for example, on the number of people that we employ, on the compensation that we pay, if we go for financing or we go for an IPO. And finally, we can take a look, for example, the price and change it. We are going to see the result of each one of our decisions in our income statements, cash flows, sales, etc. For example, here in the part of sales, since we are a newly created company, there's not much sales, but there's a lot of prospects. So let's go ahead and make the first decision. In this case, for example, we're going to hire 50 people for engineering and 50 people for sales. As everyone probably would expect, hiring more people for sales would result in more sales. So we come out in the news as people who are hiring. We can take a look at all the people that are now in our offices, and we can look at the sales, for example. As we realize the potential market size is the same, the accumulated sales is the same, which is 0 right now, and the active prospects is going to be way higher than from the beginning. So we can just keep going and just hire more people and go to the next quarter. And then the news are going to say that we're hiring more people. But if you take a look at some of the financial results, some have moved, some have not. For example, sales has not, but we have many more prospects. So let's just go ahead and keep making decisions like this one. Quickly, we realize that if we keep running a company like this, we're going to go bankrupt. So the simulation is about making all the right decisions in a timely manner so that we can make the company successful. Thank you.